is Sharp Puppet and he's 20. So he's getting his braces off and the retainers on. Puppet, so what have you been eating? Just do my teeth. Okay, open wide. Time to wash your mouth. I don't want that water. I don't have any other water. Then don't wash my mouth. I have to wash your mouth. I'm sorry. Stop washing my mouth and I need to tell you something. What do you need? Did you hear what happened down the street? That big street pie? No, and I don't need to know. It's not my business. Let's go back to your teeth. Hey, goodness! Toothpaste. I don't want toothpaste. Too bad. Phew, that was nasty. Let's get your braces on. That was that thing. That's weird. Too bad. Top is done too. Tears! Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?